right, guys. Oh! I got his wish. You got your wish. Yeah. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm James.
I'm Andy.
And we are the Greasy Goomba Kids. And today, for the first time in a long time, you get to see this guy bring something new to the channel. You've been watching Sean build that S13, and today we have a little bit of something going on for you.
Let's get close and personal with it. This is a 2022 Kawasaki Z125. It has like 700 miles on it. Right here. What do we got? We got 756 miles. So she's basically new. It's a 2022. I got it from, what?
Basically new?
So that was a f***ing lie.
Oh, chill, it's dirty, bro. and
oh,
wait, show the tail light.
Dirt, what?
How? Hold on, bro. How?
We've been riding it. We've been riding it.
Should have got the stunt kit first.
It was, well, that was the goal, but. So now we're here. So I gave her a little bit of bumps and bruises already. Had to break her in, you know. It's only right to christen the bike, especially when it's a stunt bike, and we'll go from here. We are going to be installing the Z&Z Stunt Pack. So the Z&Z Stunt Pack comes with your 12 bar. That is like the first step in stunt hardware for a little mini bike. Oh, then we have a whole lot of little, I think they call them Durlin sliders because it's the material. It's Durlin like a plastic or something like that. I don't know, but it's a slider. It's a plastic slider. We have some metal sliders that are gonna go down here on the axle to give us some protection. This is our plate that I guess we use to line up to drill our holes for our hardware and our bolts. We have a little cross brace that goes underneath here. Some guys say it doesn't work with the stock exhaust. Some guys say it does, so we'll see about that. We have what's called rear sets. So your rear sets are gonna replace your peg assembly, get bolted on down there. It's just a much beefier, much more solid, better to hook because these go up. So when I'm trying to hook foot to lock into the seat and pull myself down, these are gonna be a lot nicer. And we have a full front crash cage. So I believe this down here is what connects the crossbar. And then these two get bolted to your engine mounts, your rear engine mount and your front engine mount. And then I already did, you didn't see it on vlog, put on a set of Pro Taper I always used to say, but I did the XR50 bend. So the XR50 bend's a lot higher and they're much more narrow. So personally me, I like to feel like I'm a little bit tighter. It helps me be in control when I'm doing my thing. So the CR50 bends are the bars for me. They were a little tricky fitting because they are shorter. This whole blinker control assembly doesn't really have the proper space to fit here. And then we did the RSC one finger easy pull clutch. To do all this, just a little insight, you will lose a sensor. So the sensor I tucked down in here, I taped it all up. It's a clutch sensor that recognizes where the clutch is in and out. I tried it taped in and I didn't like it that way because then with it taped in, it was like the clutch was always out. And when the clutch was always out, the bike wouldn't start in gear unless I put it in neutral. So I couldn't pull the clutch, it wasn't registering anything. So I left it out and taped it so it couldn't get depressed in. So now it's almost as if the bike thinks my clutch is always pulled in. So then if the bike thinks my clutch is always pulled in, but obviously mechanically it's working the drive normally, that's better off for me because then I can start in any gear as long as the bike thinks the clutch is pulled in, which is always. And I have minimal directions. I'm sure Z&Z has some sort of support, but we're just gonna get to work. We got some things labeled, some things not, front sliders, so let me see what I can do.
Let's get it.
It wouldn't be upside down, but then,
and then that.
But this isn't gonna hold it.
No, that doesn't go like that. It goes in the front. You got it backward. Right.
Which was in the bolt hole, it's actually better. Which one is the one? long on that one. These two are the short one. Lever. Go like that. Well, look, this was kind of back there, right? See where this shaft is? So then, that's right. Like this. And then I just have to get the spring back on and that other clip back on, and then the.
That's pretty sick.
It's kind of how it sits.
So that goes there like that.
Yep.
And then
One
what?
slider. Let's see how. But I should get the other one out of my way, no?
Get it in, and then get the other one in with it. Like put them in at the same time. So we gotta hold this one to pull that out.
This one don't have a washer though. You out the other side?
Yeah, it's through the other side.
The other one's loose though. I just don't want to hurt the. I don't like how long that one is though. Fuck.
Maybe they go from the other side.
No way. Fuck. Ain't no way.
How long is that? Long as fuck. It's long as. Look at this thing over here.
No.
It's bigger than my peepee.
That shit is OD long.
Put this side on.
I mean, we're gonna have a lot of meat and like no meat.
I want. This plastic's in the way. Ow! I'm just kidding. Well, there it is. It's on there.
Kinda.
What do you mean, kinda?
Where's my I need that. Are you in there?
Yeah, I'm in there.
Did it? Anything?
I don't know. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, but only a few.
Well, I mean, it's not tight yet. I could keep turning it. Let's do the other one too, though, before we get over exaggerant. I can barely reach that one.
A little black dot on your face.
So those should be on there.
Both of them tight.
Yeah. Looks pretty good on there.
Let's try to get this on, if you want to put that on, and then we gotta get one of these inside of here, and then on the back of that. See that hole? Mm-hmm. And then that's these two, and this one. These are for the crossbar. We'll try to fuck with that later, but some guys say it doesn't work with the stock exhaust, so I'm gonna fuck with that. I think the stock one is still here.
It'd tighten up once it's...
But it just has a pin here. There's no washer, there's no nut. It used to have a...
Maybe there's a washer or something.
Nah, it used to have a washer and then a nut that went on there.
Maybe you can
it's
just
just
put a couple
aftermarket.
washers on there. You can get, like, just go to the store.
Bigger ones?
Get a couple washers.
Keep them a little tighter.
So it's just a little tighter, just that fit over that and just goes to the pin in the back, you know?
All back on each other properly. I see this one pulling down and that's doing what it should, and it's returning, so the return spring's good. Now when I tighten this, it should get rid of the slot, so it shouldn't be that bad. Let me get. I'm gonna leave the cross. So that's rear sets and front cage.
Huge.
That's for the front. That's for here, look.
That's the back.
Well,
He said that's for the front.
no, the same thing.
That's
but
the back.
These two, you have four that are exactly the same.
Oh, the front wheels?
Front axle.
Oh.
Take them all. I might hate them.
Tiny bike.
Very. But dude, that's serious.
We ain't gonna mess it up with those on, that's for sure. I don't think that goes back on.
But I don't really like it all.
That probably should have went on
I
prior.
gotta drill it.
Drill it?
Like,
drill what?
Cause the top fucking, yeah, I guess we're not having it on, huh? Cause this was in my way.
So
I gotta cut this piece right here so this stays. This can go back on.
Yeah, you'd have to cut that top piece off.
This right here.
Right.
And then you're right, I think we gotta take it all
Then you
off,
gotta take that off
I can't get it in there.
to get it in there,
I'm a dick, huh? I'm gonna end up doing that off camera.
yeah, that's fine.
Off camera, I'm probably gonna end up putting this back on. So, for all you Z guys that get Z and Z, this gotta come off for the rear engine mount to clear. But if you look right here, you got a little space before this top bolt that we can probably just, I'm probably just gonna take that off. And then with this out of my way, when this goes on, that'll be missing. So it should just clear, because this is the top bolt right down here. So if that's missing, I should be able to clear it. And then this is your chain cover.
Chain guard.
Guard cover, you know. We're about to see what I consider hack. Look at this garbage, bro.
You should see most of this guy's stuff.
Look at how they fucking splice this. It ain't my shit look like that.
What the hell are you doing here?
Yeah, I give you man some bolts here, bro.
Oh,
Stock bolts.
we need your help since the beginning.
Yeah. Is he struggling right now?
Nah.
Oh, bro,
You.
cheater, dude. Me dragging him out for miles.
Is this gonna spark?
That's titanium, it's just painted. Yeah.
Can you just change it? To drill out.
I
These
think that's
holes.
what this is.
But
So
I
then it
don't know if you
says,
have to-
on each side where seat latch installs, Duralin spacer seat. So the bottom of the sub cage, you supplied, so no, not these.
What do you, these are the blue ones. Right. These things.
Right here, right?
Yeah. Is that the right one?
Yeah, but it didn't go straight. I'm just following what it allows me to.
I would just follow what it allows you to.
So look, my holes are slightly off. So now it wants me to drill like this. Now, this fucking plastic makes it so hard.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it came with a whole setup. Bro, I'm set.
Get it.
Holy, it's 12. Yep. Yep. Jesus.
That's pretty wild. You gotta come down.
Lift it. It's stuck on my
You
leg.
gotta come down. Picture here. Hold on. Hold the bar for a minute. I can lower this a little more.
That better? You alright? We're good. It's on. You're good, it's on. Down. Alright guys. That's a wrap.
It's not a rat.
Baby.
No,
gotta
we're gonna
go
go
ride.
ride. We're gonna go ride. Like I said before, my man came through with some stock caps. So now the bars are sturdy. That's all back to normal. We got the sliders that we talked about in the beginning on. Got all the slider pucks on. All this is nice and tight. James, you tighten this one, right? I didn't touch this one.
What do you mean?
The
Yeah,
little
I
one?
tightened that, yeah.
Okay. All that shit's good.
Yeah.
There, we'll do a bolt. I'll do a bolt check.
you
Obviously,
ride it a little
I'm gonna
bit.
take this off. I gotta cut this to
Yeah.
get this cover back in there.
Still gotta put that
Do you have
on.
oh, you don't have a front cage. I gotta cut this because it doesn't clear the bar. So this is my like chain cover. I don't really like not having it on, but it's all protected, you know? The cage is so wide.
You can't even get out,
Oh,
kid.
you got it.
Watch. You're in the trees. Come on, let's go.
Yo. All right, boy. 756 miles.
You know what you're doing, kid? Yeah.
Come on, bro. Oh, sorry. Yo, put the left foot up. Leave your right foot on the. Yo. Wait.
I know, but there's no brake on that foot. I know.
Put your right foot on the brake, kid. Yeah, baby. That a boy? Yeah, boy. There he goes. Oh.
That thing's cool.
Yep, that's why we built it.
Oh no.
Oh,
Pulling down.
Huh? It's heavier. So circles feel completely different. All right, guys. Oh! I got his wish. You got your wish. Hey, chill.
Look how much better this shit look now.
I broke it though, like so badly. So badly. Yo, I'm an asshole.
No, they're just dangle.
Oh! All right, stop. All right, guys. With that, like, comment, subscribe. Got a couple more things to do, and you know the rules. Live limitless. Peace.